Hey there, we're excited to walk you through the newest release from FlightScope, the Mevo Gen 2. This unit is built on the same fusion tracking technology that you love in the Mevo Plus, but at a lower price point. This is an indoor and outdoor unit, so you can take it to dial in on the range or on your simulator. With the purchase of your Mevo Gen 2, you also get access to 8 E6 Connect courses, including world-renowned courses like Kiwa Island's Ocean Course and Torrey Pines. Plus, it's compatible with third-party software systems like GSPro, Awesome Golf, and more. The main differences are the extended battery life of the Gen 2 at 6 hours in comparison to the Mevo Plus at 2.5 hours. And now that FlightScope has updated the unit to have Pro Package and base impact location upgrades, it's really a no-brainer for almost $1,000 less for the cost of the unit. This unit itself is available for $1,299, and our SIG enclosure golf simulator packages start at $3,399. All right, let's unbox this. First off, it comes in this very nice carrying case, very sturdy. Okay, looks like we have some wire, we have a USB-C, we have the wall connector, and then we also have unit here. As you can tell, it's pretty small, so it's really good for being portable, going to the range with you, and not taking up too much space. We also have some stickers here to get some accurate data, information, and instructions. So now we're going to set up our Mevo Gen 2. First off, you're going to go to the App Store and you're going to look up SS Golf App. Once we have that open, we're going to go ahead and turn on our unit. So the button's on the top and you'll press it down until the lights flicker and there's some beeps. Once you have the NBES Valve app open, you're going to go ahead and register your device. So to do that, we just scan the QR code. On the back of the unit, we'll join it. Once we have that connected, we're going to go ahead and click radar registration. Register your Mevo, type in our phone number. And now registration is done. Click complete registration. And now we're going to connect back to our unit. So we're going to scan the QR code one more time. Now our device is ready and we've cleared our registration. To get some more knowledge and background information on the Mevo Gen 2, we're going to pass it over to the owner of Practical Golf and the author of the 4 Foundations of Golf, Jon Sherman.
My first reaction is that they fixed the issue with the original Mevo, which was limited data. Now it's giving you 18 parameters using the same fusion tracking tech as their higher end models. That's radar tracking plus video processing. Another huge advantage in this new release is the free software. They are bucking the trend versus their competitors and not charging any type of ongoing licensing fee. So you're going to get access to an E6 bundle of sim courses that includes Torrey Pines, Kiwa Ocean Course, and 6 others with no ongoing costs. With the new installed camera, you'll get shot tracing on every shot, as well as the ability to review your swing videos while drawing lines and circles for reference points. It also has a massive 6-hour battery life, so you can use it on the range without worrying about a recharge. And last but not least, they have a ton of amazing new third-party integrations. The Mevo Gen 2 will work with Titleist RCT balls for improved accuracy indoors. You're also going to be able to run popular simulation software like GSPro and E6 Connect.
If you have any questions or if you would like to purchase the Mevo Gen 2, you can go on our website at shopindoorgolf.com.